Welcome to Whizord, where safety meets innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of self-defense with our list of essential gadgets to protect you in any situation.
From compact knives to powerful stun guns, we've handpicked the top 21 self-defense gadgets you need to know about. Stay tuned as we explore each one and uncover the key features that make them essential tools for your safety arsenal.
Take advantage of these must-have self-defense gadgets. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss an update.
Let's dive in.
In urban areas worldwide, where incidents of street violence against women are alarmingly common, and law enforcement responses often fall short, many women are taking proactive steps to protect themselves. Enter the Tiger Lady Self-Protection Tool, a compact device designed to fit snugly in the palm of your hand. When faced with danger during solo outings, simply clench your fist to deploy its concealed claws, giving you a formidable advantage against any assailant.
With Tiger Lady, you can embody the spirit of a real-life Wolverine, ready to defend yourself at a moment's notice.
Introducing the Lifelights, an innovative non-lethal self-defense weapon that combines the features of various self-defense techniques into one versatile device. At first glance, it appears to be a powerful laser and flashlight combo, applicable even in non-defensive situations.
However, the Lifelights can be transformed into a formidable defense tool when faced with danger. The ability to shoot pepper irritant pods creates a disorienting cloud of smoke upon impact, incapacitating any threat within seconds. No extra training or license is required to use this compact and effective self-defense solution, providing peace of mind wherever you go.
Discover the Salt Supply, a non-lethal self-defense gadget designed for those who prioritize safety without the need for precise aim.
This compact and powerful device utilizes salt rounds filled with pepper spray and tear gas, ensuring that any attacker is temporarily incapacitated.
The Salt Supply provides reliable protection when faced with a dangerous situation at a distance or up close.
Each kit includes practice rounds and an instruction manual, ensuring that users are prepared to defend themselves effectively.
With its dual functionality as a defensive and offensive tool, the Salt Supply offers peace of mind in uncertain situations. Unleash the power of the Taser Pulse, the ultimate civilian taser designed for self-defense. With its exceptional stopping power equivalent to police and military-grade tasers, the Taser Pulse offers a crucial advantage in dangerous situations. Capable of incapacitating an assailant for up to 30 seconds with a single discharge, it provides ample time to escape and seek help. Equipped with a built-in flashlight for precise targeting, the Taser Pulse ensures accuracy and effectiveness in any encounter. Embrace the peace of mind of owning one of the most reliable tasers on the market, empowering you to protect yourself and your loved ones confidently.
Experience the innovative design of the Bola Wrap, a revolutionary self-defense device that reshapes law enforcement tactics.
The Bola Wrap is an 8-foot Kevlar tether that quickly immobilizes suspects without lethal force. The Bola Wrap swiftly immobilizes suspects without resorting to deadly force. With a deployment speed of 513 feet per second, it efficiently restrains an assailant's arms and legs, minimizing the risk of injury while facilitating safe apprehension. Embrace a new era of law enforcement that prioritizes de-escalation and safety with the game-changing Bola Wrap. Deter potential threats with the pen pepper spray, a discreet yet powerful self-defense tool disguised as an ordinary writing instrument. A potent pepper spray capable of quickly subduing attackers is concealed within its sleek design. Its formidable formula, capable of incapacitating even bears, ensures reliable protection. Compact and easily concealable, the pen pepper spray is the perfect companion for personal safety, whether in your pocket, purse, or wallet. Ensure your safety with the GuardDog ProShield Smart Bulletproof Backpack, a versatile and protective accessory designed for everyday use. This backpack features over 20 strategically placed pockets and sleeves, and provides ample storage for your belongings. Its TSA-approved design accommodates an 18-inch laptop and includes an RFID blocking pocket for security against digital threats. Equipped with military-grade bullet resistance, it provides unmatched protection against potential threats while on the move. Stay prepared and protected with the GuardDog ProShield Smart Bulletproof Backpack. Discover the innovative miniature Colt 1908, a discreet yet potent self-defense solution perfect for personal security. Compact and concealable, this tiny pistol packs a punch with its 2mm bullets, offering a surprising level of protection in a small package. Designed for easy carry and quick deployment, the miniature Colt 1908 ensures you're always prepared to defend yourself effectively. Stay safe with this miniature marvel by your side. Explore the revolutionary Zorax Gun Lock, a cutting-edge firearm safety solution designed to prevent unauthorized access, while ensuring immediate availability for the owner. With its calibre-specific electromechanical lock, the Zorax Gun Lock provides peace of mind by securing semi-automatic or automatic firearms from unauthorized use. Quick disengagement allows rapid emergency access, making it a vital addition to any firearm owner's safety arsenal. Keep your firearms secure and accessible with the innovative Zorax Gun Lock. Introducing the Bird K Compact Knife, a versatile and reliable self-defense tool for everyday carry. This compact and fast foldable knife offers quick deployment and features a sturdy build, making it an ideal companion for personal protection.
With its smooth glide-out action and glass breaker pommel, the Bird K Compact Knife is ready to defend immediately.
Plus, with a lifetime manufacturer warranty, you can trust its durability for any adventure.
Equip yourself with the Bird K Compact Knife for reliable self-defense wherever you go.
The Yellow Jacket phone case is not just any ordinary phone accessory.
It doubles as a powerful stun gun, capable of delivering up to 7 million volts of electricity to any would-be attacker. With a simple switch flip, you can activate the safety lock and unleash a potent shock to defend yourself. Plus, it still functions as a phone case, protecting your device while ensuring you're never without a means of self-defense.
Stay safe and empowered with the Yellow Jacket phone case by your side. The Knuckle Duster offers a comprehensive self-defense solution, combining brass knuckles, a hidden knife, and a pinfire gun into a versatile tool. Named after the notorious French Apache street gang, this device provides users multiple options for defending themselves in various situations. While it comes at a premium price, its ability to serve as a close-quarters combat weapon and a firearm adds value for those prioritizing personal safety and preparedness. The HUAAO dart launcher presents a simple yet effective self-defense option, capable of launching up to 5 sharp darts with a range of 20 feet. This compact and sturdy device offers non-lethal protection, making it suitable for areas with strict gun laws or individuals seeking a discreet means of defense. With its reliability and portability, the HUAAO dart launcher ensures peace of mind in various scenarios, whether for personal safety or activities like camping. Introducing the Stun Ring. Ever wished to subdue an assailant with a single punch, akin to scenes from superhero movies?
Well, now it's possible to use Streetwise's innovative Stun Ring for women.
This compact ring, worn on your finger, features a button on the top. Upon contact with an opponent, this button triggers a potent shock, incapacitating the attacker instantly. Remarkably, while effectively neutralizing threats, it ensures no harm to you whatsoever.
This device, which has earned the trust of countless women worldwide, provides a lifeline in emergencies.
Presenting the SAC Google Spork, an essential companion for camping, hiking, or survival outings. At first glance, it appears as a typical Spork, but it harbors a hidden secret.
When faced with unexpected danger after a meal, simply unscrew the Spork to reveal a concealed knife.
Picture the surprise of an assailant when you brandish a seemingly harmless utensil to defend yourself.
Beyond the humor, this dual-function tool is a potent self-defense weapon.
Its compact size belies the knife's formidable strength.
Introducing the cigarette knife. While smoking is universally known to be harmful, this pack of cigarettes could unexpectedly become a lifesaver.
Hidden among the cigarette sticks lies a discreet, pointed blade, designed to aid you in escaping precarious situations. The beauty of the cigarette knife lies in its inconspicuousness. Nestled within a common item, it provides a covert means of defense. Its design seamlessly integrates into its surroundings, resembling an ordinary cigarette pack.
However, its steel handle with an elevated design ensures swift and intuitive use when needed most.
Though modest compared to other items on this list, the cigarette knife offers a light and inconspicuous defense option that could prove invaluable in critical moments.
Even the smallest tool can make a life-saving difference in situations where every second counts.
Introducing the Jab Blast Knuckles. In moments where proximity to a potential threat becomes uncomfortably close, the Jab Blast Knuckles offer a potent solution. This self-defense device snugly fits onto your fingers, providing effortless use with a simple click-over switch. Offering 950,000 volts of personal protection, it runs on 2 long-lasting lithium-ion batteries, ensuring reliability for up to 2 years.
Featuring a comfortable rubber coating for a secure grip, these knuckles serve dual purposes.
They function as a stun device and can also be employed as traditional brass knuckles for more forceful defense if needed. Upon activation, a button press on the index finger unleashes its power, which is capable of penetrating clothing for added security. With the jab blast knuckles, you send a clear message to any would-be attacker. They've chosen the wrong person to confront. Introducing the CRKT Provoke Compact Sharp. This fast-fold pocket knife is a force to be reckoned with. Designed to deliver severe damage to anyone foolish enough to cross your path. Crafted with a black oxide finish and a premium D2 steel blade, it boasts exceptional durability and edge retention. The opening mechanism is swift and efficient, pulling the folder triggers, a chain reaction, propelling the blade into action with precision. With its sleek design and flush pocket clip, this knife is as discreet as deadly.
While it's an ideal tool for self-defense, unfortunately, it's not available to the public.
Introducing the Fast Strike SD Whip. This unique self-defense tool combines the qualities of both an impact weapon and a flexible whip, creating an innovative hybrid design. With its high-impact plastic handle and lightning-fast deployment, this gadget delivers swift and decisive blows to any attacker. Compact enough to carry in your bag or conceal in your person, that's always ready for action. The concentrated energy transfer of it strikes targets, a small area of the attacker, causing significant trauma and potentially even broken bones.
Thanks to its cable-like stiffness and rapid tip speed, it's virtually impossible for an assailant to disarm you. Introducing the Streetwise Sunbrella. While it may look like an ordinary umbrella, this innovative gadget packs a surprising punch. A powerful 32 million volt stun gun is concealed within its innocent exterior, perfect for discreet self-defense. Whether walking alone or traveling, the Streetwise Sunbrella can be easily carried in your hand, purse, backpack, or car, ensuring it's always within reach when needed.
Its 10-inch length provides the ideal distance between you and any potential threats, while its bright flashlight adds an extra layer of security, whether to disorient attackers or signal for help.
With a button press on its handle, you're ready to defend yourself against any danger.
Introducing the ideal concealed iPhone case gun. Innovation knows no bounds in concealed firearms. The ideal concealed iPhone case gun represents the pinnacle of discreet protection. Resembling a standard iPhone case, this covert weapon offers unparalleled functionality and reliability. Should you find yourself in a precarious situation, simply slide out the handle to reveal the shooting trigger, instantly arming yourself for self-defense.
Crafted from a lightweight single-piece frame, the ideal conceal has high-velocity 0.380 rounds for formidable stopping power.
Its unique design includes 2 ammo chambers, allowing for swift reloading, akin to a shotgun. Thank you for joining us today as we explore the top 21 essential self-defense gadgets.
We hope you found the information valuable and empowering. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Whizord for more insightful personal safety and innovation content. Remember to leave a comment below, letting us know which self-defense gadget caught your eye the most. Thank you to all of us here for watching. Until next time, stay safe and stay empowered.